Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and transfer and send crypto from eToro to an external wallet. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here. And once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started with accessing everything we need. We have the join eToro button to go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log into your account normally using the upper right corner. And once you have logged in, you are going to be greeted by the main page where the left side of the screen you are going to see a menu with all the options you can access, such as trading, investing, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to send crypto assets from our eToro to the crypto wallet. So we can do this by following the steps right here in the official eToro Help Center. We have an article on how exactly to do this. So we are going to go to the wallet tab that you're going to be able to find at the left side of the screen. And under crypto wallet, you're going to select the type of crypto you wish to send. Then you can click send. Once you have done that, you can select the amount to send and type or paste the recipient's public address. Ensure that the address has been entered correctly and then tap send and then enter the SMS code sent to your mobile phone and tap verify. Once you've done that guys, the confirmation that they have received your request to send the crypto will appear, and once you get that confirmation, you know that you have successfully sent your crypto to the different address or external wallet using eToro, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.